Here is our snow blizzard, crazy blizzard.
You gotta be able to see the spoon.
You want me to get him?
Yes!
Here. Say hi to the camera.
No.
Hi, Kai. Are you cold, Kai?
June, put a seat in there.
No,
That's in
okay.
the parking garage. The seat's parking garage. Okay, I got you, Kai.
No, it's okay. You can leave him on the snow.
Baby Kai.
Because once he's on there, he's on.
How about you, Emma? Max, come here.
Let me see your hole.
Wait, my hand's stuck in the... I can get it.
Oh, look at this hole.
Emma,
Okay, okay, close the door. Close the door on her.
There's no door.
Avalanche.
Hey. Did you get snow on my head? Yes, you did.
Oh, I think there was snow all over that hat.
Yeah, but not inside.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you the next one. Wait, this one happened last time.
Where are you going, Emma?
I'm sure I can do it. Hi, Max. Hey, Emma, I'll call if you can do something for me. What? Go in there to the end and you have to make the roof a little bigger. Like scrape some stuff off the roof.
Make the floor bigger, too.
Oh,
Hi.
I'll take some pictures like of him so he's like standing like in that walkway so you can see how high the snow is. You'll have to prop him up for
Okay.
that one.